If your wrist hurts from doing push-ups or lifting weights or overuse, the biggest mistake would be to strengthen it too soon. What you need to do is you need to let it heal. But you don't want to let it heal and not move it, because by doing that, it will cause atrophy and it'll take even longer to heal. So let me show you what to do. You want to move your wrist actively. I'm going to show you 3 exercises you can do right now. First one, I'm going to stabilize my wrist, and I'm going to do wrist circles. Now, as I'm doing this, if the circles cause pain, you want to stop, reassess, and just do smaller circles, okay? We want to do a motion that's pain-free. We're causing the interstitial fluid within the joint to lubricate the joint and allow it to heal, and then the opposite direction. And if it hurts, just do smaller ranges, okay? The next one you want to do is wrist flexion and extension. And again, if this hurts, just back off. Don't go as far, but still move it. We're keeping it within a pain-free range of motion, and eventually you can go further and further. Last one. Let me hold it like this. It's called radial deviation and ulnar deviation. So as you can see, going towards the thumb, you don't get as much movement as towards the pinky. That's normal. But we want to move the wrist in this direction because we want to target all planes of motion. And again, if it hurts too much to go one way, just back off. Don't go as far, and then come back. And again, 3 sets of 10. Now, I know this is basic, but we need to start with a strong base and build from there. You did a push-up, you lifted weights, you overused your wrist. We need it to heal, but we can't let it heal without moving because that'll just take longer. So do this for a few days. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you the next step. Comment below, let me know how this feels. And if you have any specific questions, please comment. I'm going to answer them for you. This is your free therapy session.